guys, we're in our November grammar packet. We are on page 6. We are working with verb tense shifts. So remember, when we talk about verb tense, we're talking about verbs that are either in the past, present, or future tense. The important thing to understand about verb tense shifting is that the tense should not shift between past, present, or future. In a sentence or paragraph, it should all be either in the past, it should all be in the present, or it should all be in the future. It should not be shifting. So we're going to fix the shifts below. It says, writers need to make sure that all the verbs in a sentence or passage are consistent. And I mean consistent as in they don't switch back and forth between tenses. They stay the same. If your story is set in the past, all the verbs should be in the past. So here are our directions. It says, read each sentence below about holidays in November. If there is a shift, if it goes from past to present, or it goes from present to future, we're going to go ahead and correct it. If the sentence is perfect and there's no errors in shifting, then we're going to say the sentence is good. So here's how I want you to do this. I want you to go to each underlined verb and I want you to identify what tense it's in. That will help you tell whether there was a shift or not. I need you to do that in your page today. The diner had, if I had something, that's in the past. So please write past above the word had. The diner had a sale on Sandwich Day, which was November 3rd. If it was, that's also in the past tense. They will sell. If I will do something, that is in the future. So please write down future, and now we know that that's something we're going to fix because that's a shift. They will sell turkey, ham, and roast beef sandwiches. They also gave away, that's past tense. If I gave something, they gave away free chips to the first 100 customers. So the one that we need to change is will sell. I need to change this into the past tense because all the other ones are in past. So remember, we can't shift from past to future, and they did. So we need to fix this. Excuse me. And we want it to be in past tense as this, and this are in past tense. How do I say I will sell, but how do I make it sound like I already sold it in the past? I sold turkey. Now it's saying they. So we're going to say they sold turkey. If I said they sold turkey, ham, and roast beef, that would then be in the past tense. Okay? So that's how we fixed number 1. It was just this one that needed to be shifted back to past tense. Okay, I will do number 2 with you as well, so please stay with me. Let's go through it. November 6th will be, if I will be, or it will be saxophone day, that is future. We plan, if I'm planning on doing something, that's in the future. I plan to listen to a concert in the park, eat a picnic. Now, what part or what tense is eat? Now this is tricky because if I plan to listen and plan to eat, notice there's a comma here. So it's saying I plan to listen and I plan to eat. So this is in the future tense. We plan to listen, we plan, comma, eat a picnic lunch, and then went home. If I went home, that's past tense. I need it to be in future as these all of these verbs are future. It shifted to past. We cannot shift. So how do I say I went home in the future tense? Because I want to change it. We're going to say then will go home. I will go home is how you say going home in the future, okay? So I want you to write the tense of each of the verbs, figure out if one of them has shifted, and fix it on the line provided, okay? And that's what you're doing for page 6. Okay, you guys, let me know if you have questions. I can help you during our Zoom. Otherwise, I will talk to you later.